Well, now it was goals, goals and more goals as 20 were scored in 5 matches on Sunday in the Red Stripe Premier League.
It rained goals at Stadium East between Cavalier and Montego Bay United. The floodgate was opened from as early as the 3rd minute, with Leonardo Rankin showing the way. Nicholas Hamilton didn't stand by and watch. He also helped himself on the score sheet in the 14th minute. Montego Bay United put a halt to the slide, but Chevon Marsh unlocked the code in the 39th minute to make it 3-0. MBU helped themselves to a goal in the 65th minute, Nicholas Amponza throwing them a lifeline. But Cavalier wouldn't have any of it, and Alex Marshall restored the 3-goal advantage in the 84th minute. And Hamilton completed the rout a minute into stoppage time to hand Montego Bay United their worst defeat in the league.
The positive is that we have so many persons in this team that can actually score. But if you look at all the games that we had played before, we missed a lot of goals. So it's not because we're not getting the chances. But today, for some reason, the team just seems to click. Everything we did at training just seems to click today. And I was always mindful that any team that we play and everything click, it's going to be a long, hard day for them.
Very poor performance, I thought. I thought we came out very flat. And when you concede 3 goals in 25 minutes, in the first 25 minutes of a game, I mean, you're always behind the 8 ball. I mean, I thought we, in the second half, we played a little bit better, but still, I mean, I think we were beaten by a better team tonight.
5 goals were scored in the jungle, with Portmore United outscoring Arnett Gardens 3-2. The two were locked at 1-1 when Rashawn Sharp gave Portmore the lead to go into the break. 14 minutes into the second half, Arnett's custodian Damian Hyatt showed he's on the same page as Fabian Reed, even though things may be different off the field, as the game was again tied. However, the points were secured in the 62nd minute through Ron D. Smith, as Portmore United knocked off the Junglists.
You know, at the end of the day, we want to build on this game by game, and it's our 3rd away game on the trot, and getting 3 points on the road is crucial.
Yeah, pretty much a tough loss. The game started pretty much very lull for the Arnett Garden team, while Portmore looked the better team as the game started. But, you know, as the game progressed, you know, we came into our own, but we're still playing in spurts. 2 of those goals that we gave up, you know, at this level, it's not accepted.
Elsewhere on Sunday, Dunbeholden outscored Humberline 4-3 for their 2nd win of the campaign. Rena stopped Waterhouse 1-0 at Stets for their 2nd victory as well. And the Tivoli Gardens delivered a similar blow to UWI, who were suffering their first defeat at home. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.